What's up guys, long time no see. A lot has happened lately. Firstly, I was on a break, I was chilling. And secondly, classes have finally started. We are going to the deep sea of knowledge. So going forward, I thought to myself, how do I approach Marrow? Now specifically, how much videos should I watch in a given day? So that is the question that we'll be answering in today's video. How much videos should one watch in a given day? Now I'm just gonna get straight into it. No fluff, no bluff, no nothing. So I did this simple exercise that actually gave me the answer to this very question. So what I did was, firstly, I calculated all the videos that I had to watch in 4th year, right? The total number of videos divided by total number of days. So for me, when I calculated the videos that I have to watch for 4th year, it was about 539, something like that. Let's just round that up to 540 divided by 6 months. That was the time period that I took. 6 months meaning 180 days. So 540 divided by 180, that actually amounted to 3 videos a day. Now this is exactly where things get interesting. You see, during lockdown, I was the guy who was only watching 1 or 2 videos a day max. That was kind of my threshold, my standards. Right now I've come to realize that going forward, I must watch 3 videos a day if I want to finish 4th year in 6 months. Yes, I do know it is ambitious, that is finishing the whole of 4th year within just 6 months. But hey, who's stopping us, right? We can dream all we want. So right now this means that my threshold has actually increased from 1 or 2 videos a day to actually 3 videos a day. Right? Self-imposed, I know, but still, now that is a new standard. Now if I cannot watch 3 videos a day, which is okay, I guess, right? I will be forced to at least watch 2 videos a day. I hope you guys understood the psychology that, I have raised the standard, right? I have raised the threshold. To give you guys an example, what if the pass mark was actually changed from 50% to 70%? It is not the case, but let us just imagine. Now all of a sudden, for everyone, 70% becomes a new normal, right? 70% becomes the minimum mark that you have to get. And that would actually fundamentally change everything. So likewise, when you do this exercise of just calculating the average amount of videos that you have to watch in a given day, right? At least in the back of your mind, you will get this idea that, okay, I have to watch X amount of lectures every day, right? It's there in the back of your mind. So that, I believe, will raise our standards. And moreover, I think that this will actually help us finish these videos faster in the long run. So I ask you to do this exercise for yourself, see what is the new standard, what is the new threshold that comes up, comment down below. Let's see what are the crazy numbers that actually come up. So this was a quick little thing that I want to share with you. I hope you guys found this useful. Like this video, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.